Between 1941 and 1945, the United States spent $296 billion to defeat Nazi Germany, equivalent to $4.1 trillion in today's dollars. At the peak of the war in 1945, America was spending $2.8 billion per day in inflation-adjusted money. The entire national economy was restructured around the war effort. Automobile factories produced tanks. Housewives built bombers. The nation devoted 40% of its gross domestic product to fighting Hitler. Did the United States enter World War II to make money? No. Did the war boost the American economy? Yes. Did the financial cost of defeating Hitler change the course of American history? Yes. The $4.1 trillion that America spent to defeat Hitler was spread across every branch of the military, with ground forces taking the largest share. The Lend-Lease program alone, the massive aid effort that supplied Britain, the Soviet Union, France, and China with weapons, food, fuel, and transportation, cost $50 billion. The Manhattan Project, though historically famous, represented less than 1% of total war spending. The budget transformation was extraordinary. Military spending rose from $1.9 billion in 1940 to $59.8 billion by 1945, a tenfold increase in just 5 years. The government financed this through war bonds totaling $186 billion sold to American citizens and through dramatic increases in tax rates. By 1945, the top marginal tax rate reached historic levels. The war created 17 million new jobs, increased industrial productivity by 96%, and doubled corporate profits. Yet these economic gains came at a price measured not just in dollars but in lives. Over 400,000 American dead. America paid $4.1 trillion to defeat Hitler. The bill was written in blood and currency. If you could calculate the cost of defeating Hitler in purely economic terms, is the $4.1 trillion price tag worth the outcome? Or was there a way to achieve victory for less? Tell me in the comments.